Hello and welcome to another Honeywell Discover learning video. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to backup and how to restore the HDCS configuration. First, we'll need to log into the HDCS software. Once it is open, go to the gear icon on the upper right corner. A pop-up window will show up with all of the system settings. Go to Backup and Restore option. Click on the Backup button. Click on the Browse option, then select the path where you want to save it to. This time select Restore. Then click on the Browse button, pick the backup and then click Restore. To restore the backup on a different computer, follow the same steps as mentioned above. Done! Now you know how to create a backup and how to restore it on a different computer.
Explore our training and discover your potential. Go to Honeywell discovertraining.com.